Aloha folks, this is Aaron with Hawaii Music School, and today we did a Hawaiian turnaround in the key of E. Yes, E. The dreaded key of ukulele. Everybody always complains about doing the E chord and how hard it is. So I used the two popular forms that people use for the first 5 frets. And I wanted to use them both because, one, you can see both shapes, and two, they make different sounds because the bass note being in a different spot makes a big difference. Well, especially since I'm playing this on a low G. So make sure you've got a low G. Alright, so let's take a look at the lick. Okay, so now we're going to break it down and show you exactly what's happening here. Alright, so let's take a look at what's happening here. We have an E chord in the first form. My finger number 1 is on the top string, 1st fret. Finger number 2 on the bottom string, 2nd fret. And fingers 3 and 4 are in the 2 middle strings at the 4th fret. So I'm going to pick the top string first, then the bottom 3. And when I do that, I'm going to slide back a half step. Notice this goes off, right? Kind of like that. And so this all happens at once. That and... Okay, so when we come back from doing our slide, what's going to happen is this finger is going to go where this finger is. I put that down there. This finger takes its place on the top string, 4th fret. And I'm going to pick all the strings. Now I'm going to pick 2, 3, 2. So altogether it looks like this. Now we're going to go to a B7 chord. B7 is where we bar the whole 2nd fret. And then we're going to take finger number 2 and put it up here on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, 3, 3. So what that was I'm going down. So 4, 3, 2. Then I'm going to do a pull-off. So that's on the 4th fret, the 1st string. I'm pulling off to my bar, right? So just going down, 4, 3, 2, 1 is the pull-off. Then I'm going to put my pinky on the 5th fret and pick that string. So I'm going to hammer on with my 3rd finger. My pinky goes underneath. My 2nd finger goes back down to where it was on the 1st string. And my top finger goes back to 4th string, 1st fret. And that's the little 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. I always say I don't use picking patterns, but I use that one a lot, don't I? So the whole lick altogether goes. Okay, let's take another look at it with a full shot. Alright, so let's take a look at it here so you can see both hands now as it goes. Alright guys, that's the lick of the day. As usual, leave your comments below. If you like the video, please hit that like button. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe to the channel. And also, if you like the way I teach, check out my website, hawaiimusicschool.com, where we do stuff like this, but go even more in depth. In fact, right now you can get 2 weeks for free. Sign up guys. I'll see you around. Aloha.